Hey, listen, we got a couple of questions that have been asked here. Maybe I could go down to them. There's one, it's a second from the bottom there. Maybe we could just ask that one real quick here. How are you? There you go. How are you dividing that documentation? I'm not 100% certain what that means, but maybe it's what I just said. What do you think? What do you think he's asking there?
Well, maybe I should say that our system is built in a way that every user has the full authority over his data. We actually don't see any data from our users. We just provide the platform. A typical user will, for example, scan his documents, upload them directly from his IT system like SAP or whatever, and then puts it on our cloud, and he receives a QR code back. So through that QR code or UUID that he will receive, he always has the full access to his document, and he's the only one who has it until he decides to give this QR code to somebody else, for example, his customer. And if his customer is registered, this customer will be able to really see the documents from the cloud. Nobody else will.